Hi, this is Janine Elliott, and we're at the Not So Shabby Travel Blog. Let's start with the home page. My first blog was about my first blog was just about a little bit about me and the blog and what my intentions are. And then the second blog was Destination Dreams. Oh, darling, let's be adventurers. I love that quote. Um, the About page is a little bit, not much about me, more about the site and what I want to do. And there's a nice picture of me at Gross Mourne. You can see on the right, there's my link to the Twitter feed. And we also have the contact page. And we have terms of use, which I plan to add to as my site becomes more involved and I start adding videos and things like that. My intent is to be totally honest. And if you go back to the home and take a look at some of my blogs, you'll see that I have credits there. I'm fortunate enough to have a subscription to Getty Images, so I can download, and according to their license agreements, these are royalty-free images, which I can use on my site. I added the credit because there is kind of an editorial comment and I want to be safe. So I've added a credit to Getty Images. And so everyone knows that I did not make those images or take that photo, but that's my photo. Okay. Anyways, I hope you visit my blog and take a look at my posts as they come up. There's going to be more coming soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.